twos.
Start on the side that you're not as good at. So I'm right-handed, I probably should have started on the left, but always challenge yourself. So do whatever side that you're not as awesome with and not as confident with, because then you can work your way over and then match it. If you're better on that side, you'll be able to achieve and match what you did on that one. But if you go over here, maybe you feel like it's not as good as the first side. So it just kind of helps. It's like a foolproof way. And also remember, your eyebrows, they are sisters, not twins. So everybody has a different balance to their eye shape. We can try to achieve something that's even as much as we can, but just remember that they are all their own unique brow, so we can do our best to fill it in, give it shape, and define it, but don't be discouraged if you feel that you can't do the exact same brow that you did on the other side. Nobody's face is the same. So also another tip in applying makeup and getting the perfect brow, so you wanna really frame the eye area. A lot of people will use something like this. Just use a pencil, use an eyeliner, makeup brush, whatever, and check right there in the side of your nose, so it's even. You want your brows to come in. Some people's hair doesn't grow there, but you can still achieve that by using a pencil or a gel liner, anything you want to fill in the brow area. Also, another tip is go from the side of your nose up below the eye, and that's where it should end. So you want to start here and do 1, 2, and then 3. So you'll highlight your arch in this second area, and then bring out the tail of your brow to the end over here.